Let's put these numbers in a list.
Now, what was the first step again?
Add the count of black and white stripes in each section.
For this, we need to access the values of the lists.
And how do we do that?
Remember how we access characters from a string?
Of course, we use indexing.
Well, lists also happen to use indexing.
I'm gonna test that. Let me access a value.
Heading in the right direction.
It will get you a list because our first item is a list.
So, can I again use indexing?
Why not?
And let's store this list in a variable and access its value. Okay, this should do.
You can even write it like this.
The first 0 gets you the list.
And the next 0 gets you the number.
Simple.
Well, you know, I use a cool trick to find the index numbers.
Not interested. Okay, listening.
You can think of each list as a different row and each number as a different column.
So, of 3 is 0, 0, and position of 4 is 0, 1.
I just need the row and column numbers.
Yes,
That's a damn cool trick.